Hi, have you any clear idea about the respirations? What do you think about breathing and respirations? Is breathing is the same process of respiration? If your idea is think that both are same process, then I tell you no, your answer is wrong. Both are not same process. There are lots of difference between two process. Today, I will cover this point. Definition, place, types of respiration, significance, difference between breathing and respiration, and what is the convention and how it is related to respirations. Please focus the videos. Then all of your critical point you clear and you have a clear idea about the respirations. Then questions, what is respiration? Respiration is a chemical process which is happen in our normal living cell body. When we take foods, this food changes and after digestion it changes into glucose. So in respiration, the glucose is completely divided into it change into energy in the presence of oxygen with the help of so many enzymes. So it is a chemical process. Questions, what is which type of food we take at the time of respiration? Is it a burger pizza? Is it any fruits? Is it a protein? No, it is glucose. So what is the formula of the glucose? C6H12O6. It is the formula of glucose because in generally what's happened after digestion in our body, what stored the foods, the stored food is glucose, and at the time of respiration this glucose break down in the presence of oxygen and the absence of oxygen. Place where it is happen, any living cells it is happen, any living cells can do the respiration. Types of respiration, in the presence of oxygen we can divide respiration into two parts, aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. When the respiration is happen in the presence of oxygen, it is called aerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration is the main respiration, what we are doing every time. What's happened, it is happen in the cell in the, it is two stages, that is glycolysis stage and the Krebs cycle. In the cytoplasm the glycolysis stage happened, and in the mitochondria the Krebs cycle happened. What's happened, how it is happened? In this process what we are doing, the glucose means C6H12O6 at the presence of oxygen 6O2. What's happened? 6CO2 means at the time of respiration carbon dioxide always we can get from this process 6H2O and lots of energy, ATP, 38 ATP. Clear? So at the process of respiration we take oxygen and it is reacts with the glucose, and at the end of the product what's happened? Carbon dioxide, water and lots of energy, 38 ATP. It has only two stages, glycolysis stage and Krebs cycle. Glycolysis is happening in the cytoplasm, Krebs cycle is happening in the mitochondria. Then what is anaerobic respiration? The respiration where no oxygen is needed, it is called anaerobic respiration. C6H12O6. Same thing, but what it is here? C2H5OH, ethyl alcohol, 2 ethyl alcohol plus 2CO2 plus 2 ATP. So in this anaerobic respiration the ATP is very less, it is only 2 ATP, and here we get new things, ethyl alcohol. Any germinating seeds anaerobic respiration happen when you have too much exercise, too much work in our muscle cells. This happen. So hope it is clear. It is presence of oxygen, it is absence of oxygen, it is two stages, it is only one stages, it is only one stages, and it is happen in the cytoplasm. Lots of energy comes out, very less energy comes out. What is the significance of respiration? Why we need respiration? We take the food, very good, it digests, and it is stored in the body. But after that, if the food not break down and we not get any energy, our all metabolic process stop. You get energy, then you do another any one. So respiration is one of the most important process in our living cells. We get energy from this process. So respiration, not only taking food is our main source of energy. No, it is not. When we take food and after that the food is breakdown, we get the energy, and for that reason we need the respiration process. Clear? So sometimes what's happened, some kids confusing breathing and respiration. They think both are same. No, technically they are not same. Why it is not same? Breathing means oxygen in, carbon dioxide out. It is a physical process. Only our lungs and other trachea and this type of organs is participate. But respiration is not a physical process. It is a chemical process. In this process, the food means C6, H12O6 means glucose. Glucose breakdown, and in this process breathing, no ATP produce, but respiration ATP produce. Clear? In the respiration we need enzymes. Lots of enzymes participate, and it is happen. Breathing is not the same thing. So breathing and respiration are not same. Technically they are different things. So please focus this point. Breathing and respiration are same or not. Then the question is combustion. In the combustion, what's happened? Oxygen participate. Anything means wood, petrol, anything's burn, and carbon dioxide produce, and heat also produce, light also produce. Then questions, is it a respiration? But I tell no, it is not a respiration. Why it is not? But process is the same. In that process something burn, and it is the presence of oxygen, it is happen, energy also come. Then why it is not the same process of respiration? Because respiration happens in all the cells, and all many of enzymes participate in this process, and lots of energy also produce. And respiration is a slow process, step by step process. It is not a jumping process. But combustion is a fast process. And fast process, very rapidly it is happen. Energy also produced, it is heat energy. But in that cases, food means glucose not burn. Wood, petrol, anything can burn. And it is happen in the out of our cell, body cell. Out of our any cells, not in the body. So combustion and respiration are not the same. Its outer looks are same, but in the inner meaning they are not same. Hope your all doubts clear. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.